In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an email in Klaviyo. First, log into your Klaviyo account. Once inside, look at the left-hand side menu and click on Campaigns. Campaigns allow you to create and send one-time emails to your subscribers. If you're looking to send a series of automated emails at specific times, you can use flows. But for now, we'll focus only on campaigns. Click on the Create Campaign button at the top right-hand side of your screen. The first thing you need to do is give your campaign a name. Ensure that the type is set to email and then click Continue. On the next screen, you will select the audience for your email. This will usually be your subscriber list. If you don't already have a list, watch our full video on how to create one. From the drop-down menu, select the list of subscribers who will receive the email and then click Next at the top right-hand side. Here, enter the subject line of your email, followed by an optional preview text if you'd like. The sender name and sender email will already be filled in based on your account information. Next, you will choose the design of your email. You will first see your saved templates, but if you want more options, click on Email Library at the upper left-hand side of your screen. Scroll through the available templates, select the one you like, and click Use Template. Now you can begin customizing your email. On the left-hand side, you'll see many element blocks such as text, images, tables, splits, and more. Drag and drop any of these into your email. You can also click on existing elements to edit them. For example, if you click on a text block and then click on the pencil icon, you can edit the text and adjust its size, border, and color. Similarly, you can replace the default logo by clicking on it, choosing Replace, and uploading one from your device. Once you've customized your email, click on Next at the top right. At this stage, you'll review all the details you've entered. Click on Next again, and you'll arrive at the scheduling options. Click on Schedule or Send in the top right. From here, you can either send the email immediately by selecting Send Now, or schedule it for a future date and time by clicking Schedule and choosing when you want the email delivered. If you're creating an email for a specific event, scheduling ensures it arrives at the right time. If you don't want to send it right away, you can also save it as a draft. To do this, click on the Klaviyo logo at the top left, and your email will automatically be saved under Campaigns. You can return later to edit or send it whenever you're ready. This is how you can easily create an email in Klaviyo.